Hey guys, this is Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods, and what we have for you today is this beautiful 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. And as we always do, starting at the front, we're going to do a walk around of the vehicle. First thing you notice is the paint. It is in the factory correct color of the French blue metallic. Paint on this car is really nice. A couple of spots here and there. Overall, paint is really great condition, and we'll go over that as we go around. Starting at the front here, I do want to point out it does have the stock steel rally wheels on it with the beauty rings and the Chevrolet center caps on it with the BFGoodrich Radial TA raised white leather tires the whole way around in 15-inch. Coming back to our first gap, driver fender to door. Nice and even going down on our body lines, lining right up there. Coming up to here, we do have on both sides the dual sport mirrors in body color. Our windshield glass and our side glass on the driver's side, no chips or cracks in that, really great shape. As you can see, all of our molding around the windows is all in black, all blacked out. Another thing I do want to point out, on both sides we do have the Monte Carlo SS decals, factory decals, and that is on both sides of the vehicle. Coming back to our second gap, driver's side door to quarter gap. Nice and even going down, you can see our body lines lining right up there. What we're going to do now is we're going to open up the driver's side door, let you see the interior from this point of view. You can see it does have the two-tone interior. You got the blue cloth with the white vinyl on the seats, the door panels, and the rear panels as well. That is the factory coloring. You see the automatic on the column, 350 turbo transmission. Dash is in really great shape. Carpet's in nice shape there. Interior of the car is really nice. Couple of spots on the seat, but overall great condition. And our door jambs, as you can see, no rust whatsoever. Really nice shape. Moving along, coming back to the back here, up on the roof, down the quarter again. The paint is really nice and smooth and shiny on this car. Our back glass, no chips and cracks in that. You can see it is tinted. And again, our molding is black going around the window. Our rear trunk gap, nice and even going the whole way around the vehicle. And it does have the factory trunk mounted rear wing, which is customary with a Monte Carlo SS. Coming back to the back, you see the front and rear fascias are body color. Also in great condition. Our tail light lenses are in great shape, no chips and cracks. And we do have the Monte Carlo SS decals on the trunk lid there. What we're going to do, open up the rear trunk here, show you the floor and everything inside here. Underneath our trunk, body color, do have our light here working. Our jamb, whole way around in great shape, no rust, really nice condition there. Our molding going around is also in great shape, intact. We do have the factory stickers here and the option list sticker here. Both in great shape. Underneath here is really nice. We do have a spare tire, donut spare, tire and jack in the trunk here. Of course, we got the trunk carpet here. Raising up the trunk carpet floor, you can see, great shape. Everything is there. The whole overall vehicle is in really great condition, and the floor here in the trunk is no exception. Moving along. Coming around to the passenger side. Again, passenger side, the paint overall is in really great shape. Coming up to our passenger side glass. Door, quarter glass, great condition. No chips or cracks, and of course these quarter glass is also tinted. Our first gap passenger side door to quarter panel, nice and even going down. You can see it lining right up on our body line there. Next, we're going to open up the passenger side door, let you see the interior from this point of view as well. Again, our door jambs are in great condition. See that dash in great shape. Flooring is in great shape. Seat's not too bad as well. You can see the SS embroidered into the headrest. Moving along, up to our second gap passenger side. Fender to door. Pretty even going down. You can see our body lines lining up very nicely. This side of the windshield, no chips and cracks. We do have a little tint strip at the top here, just genuine Chevrolet into the tint strip. The hood gap, nice and even the whole way around on the hood gap. Coming up to the front fascia. You can see the front fascia, the grille section, the lower sections, all in great shape. Even the lower part of the fascia right here. Our headlights are in great condition. No chips and cracks in those. We do have a couple of touch-up spots on the fascia, like right here, but overall, not too bad. Even the decal strip is in great shape. What we're going to do now is I'm going to pop the hood and we're going to go over everything under the hood there. Coming up to the hood here. Underneath here is the 305 Chevrolet engine. Pretty much stock. We got a stock style radiator. We do have air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, the stock aluminum intake. It is the stock Quadrajet 4-barrel on there. Pretty much all stock, pretty much the way it would have been in 1984 when it was produced. Very nice under here though. The rad support is in great shape. The inner fenders, all of it looks very, very nice under here. Everything is intact there. It runs very, very well. What we're going to do now, guys, put it up in the air and show you everything on the undercarriage. Hey guys, we got our 84 Monte Carlo SS up in the air. We're going to go through the undercarriage here as we normally do. Starting at the front, as I had said, we got the steel rally wheels the whole way around. These are 15-inch wheels and tires the whole way around, 215s, 65 15s, whole way around. Disc brakes in the front, drum brakes in the back. Starting here at the front, control arms and so on look to be a stock style. Our greasables, all definitely greased. So they're probably taken care of there. They're all definitely greased up. Our front cross member here, nice and sturdy, strong there. I don't see holes or rust in that whatsoever. Our front frame sections look pretty good. We do have the exhaust coming off the manifolds, 2 in your catalytic converter here, coming out 1 and then going into dual pipe, dual exhaust, into dual mufflers that go up over the axles. We'll address when we get back there. Coming up here, our 305 oil pan. Seal looks very good. Our rear main seal, our Turbo 350 transmission pan, nice and dry. And our output seal, nice and dry. I don't see any leaks on any of those, of course, what we want. Our transmission cross member here, mounting bar, all looks really good there, nice and sturdy. I don't see holes or rust in that whatsoever. As does our exhaust mount here for our Nero Cat. Coming back here, our next bracketry, nice and sturdy and strong there as well. Floors, we got all of our embossments here. Drains, floors look pretty good. E-brake cable running back. Coming back a little further, drive shaft is balanced. Like I said, here's our dual exhaust coming in. Smaller stock style mufflers going up over the axle, looping down and going out the back, out either side of the, out the side of the fuel tank and over here beside our spare tire wheel well. Coming back here, we got a rear sway bar back here as well. Our rear frame section on both sides looks pretty good. We got a 10-bolt rear differential here, and our rear differential cover and input seal look really good. I don't see any leaks there whatsoever. The flooring above the differential all looks really good. Our fuel tank strap and mounts both look really good. We got a nice coating on here on the tank. Over the whole tank and the floor, all nice and coated. We got coil springs on the back of here with our links. Stock style shocks. Shocks look to be fairly new, nice and blue there. Everything else, our link mounts here. look pretty good. Like I said, drum brakes on the back. Tires, those look to be brand new, fairly new there. Everything else looks really good. What we're going to do now, guys, is drop it down, start the engine, and let you hear it run.